Welcome back to BudgetTravelerChris.com. We're here in Puerto Vallarta with Orlando. Show me those muscles, Orlando. Show me those muscles. Yeah, look at he's a hard-working Mexicano, and they're painting today. They're painting the agua. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo se llama? Victor. Me gusta mucho. So let's go inside here. They're painting the water here now. There's my neighbor. Hola. And my neighbor here. My neighbors have the taco stand right next door. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Tacos?
¿Cómo se llama?
Taco la bombita.
Yo.
Ah, Noé.
Noé? Me llamo Chris. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, igualmente.
And this is his tacos de cabeza, la bombita.
De 9 a 1.
See, and that's their taco stand there, located right across from the Río Cuale. And they're making some new paint today. Look at this, and SEAPAL. SEAPAL is the people who take care of all the water here in Puerto Vallarta. And look at with a bueno job there, eh? He's doing a fantastic job with the painting, the painter. And ¿cómo se llama? Chris, me gusta mucho. Me llamo Chris, a YouTuber de Canada. Mucho gusto. Look at that, mucho trabajo aquí, eh? Sí, ¿cuántos hours aquí? ¿Cuatro? Sí, plus or minus, it means more or less, plus or minus. And this is where the pipe comes down into the, I think this is where the pipe brings up the water here from the Rio, the agua from the Rio aquí, and then it comes along here. And then look at this beautiful job. And here they're painting over here too. It's painting the white along here. And this guy here and this guy here is painting the building over here. So this is how they do the maintenance here in SEAPAL. And SEAPAL is where they bring all the water. That's where they get their water from. Adios. Muchas gracias. And this is where they get the water from here. They get the water from the Rio here. So this is where they get the water from. The Rio Cuale. And it's a pretty good source of water. And you can see it's flowing very heavily right now. Just had some recent rains here in Puerto Vallarta, which is kind of rare during the winter months, between about October and probably May down here. They don't get too much water. So stay tuned to Budget Traveler. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see. BudgetTravelerChris.com. Puerto Vallarta.